in grateful recognition of his unwavering support, dedication, and commitment as the guest speaker during the 9th Moving Up exercise with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas, given this 29th day of May 2024 of Ninita National High School, Barangay Ninita, Mondragon, Northern Samar. Signed, Erwin T. Guardiano, School Head. Signed, Zoraida S. Bulusan, District Supervisor. And signed, Gaudencio C. Alhibi Jr., PhD, C-6, Schools Division Superintendent. And please receive also our token appreciation for gracing this event.